In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix hoverboxes to enhance your website's interactivity and style. Whether you're looking to make your site more engaging or simply want to add a touch of sophistication, hoverboxes are a fantastic tool. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to add, customize, and apply effects to hoverboxes effectively. Let's dive right in. To begin, you need to add a hoverbox to your page. Start by locating the Add Elements option on the left side of the Wix editor. Once there, you'll see a variety of options, but today we'll be focusing on Interactive. Click on it and then select Hoverboxes. Here, you can either click or drag your chosen hoverbox to place it on your page. Choose the design that best fits your site's aesthetic and goals. Now that the hoverbox is on your page, it's time to add elements to it. Click on the hoverbox to get started. You'll notice two tabs appear: Regular and Hover. The Regular tab is for elements you want visible at all times, while the Hover tab is for those elements you want to appear when someone hovers over the box. To add an element in regular mode, click Add on the left side of the editor, then either click or drag the element into your box. If you prefer to add elements in Hover mode, click Add to Hover, and then do the same by dragging or clicking your element into the box. Customizing the design of your hoverbox is also a crucial step. Click the design icon to access customization options, then click Customize Design. If you're not satisfied with the default look, you can even select a different preset design at the top. This allows you to tailor every aspect of the box's appearance to match your site. Under Fill Color and Opacity, you can pick a background color and adjust its transparency using the slider. If you're looking to tweak the border, adjust its color, opacity, and width to best suit your theme. The Corners option lets you soften or sharpen the edges by adjusting the pixel size. Meanwhile, for depth and dimension, you can enable or disable a shadow, then customize its angle, distance, size, blur, color, and opacity. Finally, let's talk about adding and customizing effects. Effects can bring your hoverbox to life by adding dynamic motion when users interact with it. Click on the hoverbox, navigate to the Hover tab, and select Choose Effect. From there, you have some interesting choices like Grow, Shrink, Skew, Rotate, and Combo. Click Customize to fine-tune these effects to your liking, ensuring they integrate smoothly with your hoverbox design and overall site experience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating engaging and visually appealing hoverboxes using Wix. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.